Hey everybody, good morning. It is another day here in Texas, a beautiful day. And look, I'm gonna even be in short sleeves. Happy for that. We got more warm weather coming too. I am happy for that. That show later this week, we got rain coming, so I have some projects I've got to get closed up. And you can probably see one right over my shoulder right there. Let me show you what's going on. So I'll give you all an update on the tiny home remodel project going on here. The shed, the house remodel project. Let me show you what's going on. So as you see, we have been gutting it out. We're down to the rafters. Let me show you this. So you see there's just a freestanding wall left here with a door and a window. And we just got braced up. And we are going to move this whole wall out to the front and cut that roof open up there and repitch that roof just where this wall goes. And move that front door out, and then look at all that space that you'll gain. So it's happening. It's going on. Look at it from this other angle over here. Yep, that will open up this room greatly. So here we are. We got this all cut out. We cut this whole section of roof out. We're gonna bring this wall forward, leave it the full normal 8-foot tall, and slope the roof out at a different angle right over the top of the door here on both sides. Fill it in, put the sheet metal back on, and this house will have a huge difference in space. I just pried the wall up loose yesterday. Just have it setting there. I put a couple temporary braces. That decking was right here, just like that deck board's right there. I removed those deck boards and went and got this tongue and groove 3/4 inch plywood, the same as on the rest of the floor here. Got it in, and there it is. So that is this project. I tell you what, I'm glad that I just jumped in on it and decided to just do it. And it is going to be so worthwhile. So here's a little bit of a jump forward on it. We got the roof put back in place, and I'll cover a video with that showing the steps on that. So I'm going to conclude this video. There will be one more part. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Well, I think these ribs came out really good. Look how nice and juicy that is too. Yeah. So Patrick, you know, he would show up when the food's ready, right? Hold on. So I got James here. He's gonna ask me if putting this drainage pipe is okay to run it right through the middle of these trees right here, and it has to be buried. Nah, I just don't know. I don't know.
Shit. That's why.
But they even asked that question. That is absolutely cray.
Okay, so you want all this moving.